Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. We got a special guest in the house. Guess who's back?
I'm back.
Dennis is back. Dude, this kid just went to Tokyo, Japan. How was it, dude?
Dude, it was awesome.
It was
saw a lot of JDM cars.
Woo.
It was awesome.
He saw where Han actually died from Tokyo Drift.
Gosh.
Dude, that was amazing.
Good memories, good memories.
But for today's video is actually going to be taken care of by our good friend AFE Power. They even gave us a little gift for the shop. But today we're going to be throwing this little sweet baby in. As you guys are aware, I had painted the engine bay for this purpose. Just give it a lot cleaner look. And I had this janky intake that is something I kind of rigged up. But now it's time to actually throw in a Stage 2 AFE Power intake into the BMW. And we're about to show you that, right, Dennis?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's get to work. So Dennis, what did they give us in the box?
They give us cool swag.
Alright, so any air fresheners? So gave a couple stickers, couple license plate. Not bad. So of course we got, I'm assuming that's a filter, of course, and then a manual. We don't need that. We've got a couple of gasket, the plastic piece. I don't know what you call it, the elbow. That's what it's called. And of course, we got some couplings and the beautiful heat shield. It shouldn't be too difficult, right?
Nah, it shouldn't.
Should be pretty easy. Baby, look at that. That wrinkle black with this new Nardo gray paint. Ooh, AFE coming in clutch. Oh my goodness. And of course, we gotta make sure we use that sensor intake, mass airflow intake sensor, that thing, my bob. Yeah. So, it doesn't look too difficult. Should be just plug and play. Let's get to it. As you guys are aware, we kind of messed up. We gotta make sure we put this within the notch, so that way it's a little more secure. Yeah. Live and learn. Dance, I thought you read the manual.
I didn't read that part.
Tricks for days. We're literally putting the math first, and then goes into this actual rubber coupling, into the actual box. We took out the filter for right now, so that way we have a little more extra room. And then put that in here, and then the filter on last. So we got the entire box put in, with the elbow, with the sensor, everything going. Now we're just putting on the little trim piece, little edge guards, so that way it protects it up a little bit. Man, I'm loving this so much. This is pretty nice. Dennis over here pretending like he doesn't know how to do this and looking at the manual and stuff.
Gotta make sure.
Man, I'm over here just trying to put stuff together. Looking at the picture, looking how this works. So this is the elbow. It's gonna connect to just 2 holes. Line that holes up. Bada bing, bada boom. Then this would go here, and then I don't know. Dennis, what's next? What'd you read in the manual?
So you gotta put this on the back of here. After that, you connect.
So do you do that first, or like?
No, you do this, the actual intake, or the air filter.
Dang, Dennis.
Then this, and then your mass airflow sensor would be right here.
So should we put that first within here? Or does it really matter?
No, put this one first.
Okay. So we're gonna throw this, the actual elbow, into the holes already there. So it's pretty much kind of self-forward. So we're gonna do that, mount that up. Gonna throw that little, I don't know what you call it. Coupling, yeah. You throw a coupling in there. This car is about to get a proper air intake. You always want to make sure you use the washer and the hardware that comes with it. This is nice. I love this wrinkle black. Look at that. That's some bougie stuff right there, fellas. So we're just going to tighten up the clamp, put it against the pinch welds. That's pretty much what I was saying, right? Like this is gonna be.
Yeah, this part goes right here. Goes right on the pinch weld right here.
And then it's pretty dope. It's pretty cool. And then the sensor, of course. So nervous with the fresh paint. And just like that, plug that baby in, and that's it. And then we just basically mount the little screw right over here, so that way it stays secure. Gonna loosen that amp up. Boys, it's finally on, man, and it goes perfect with this gray paint job. Man, looks pretty amazing. What do you think, boy?
So awesome.
Ooh.
It makes the engine bay so nice.
Oh yeah, big shout out to AFE Power for helping us out over here. Man, they done us really, really well. So another thing is that Sparco sent out another little gift for us too, for the little BMW. That's what they got us.
Shift boot and a shifter.
Ooh, so we're gonna throw this on really quick and see how this baby looks. Like, man, this one got some weight to it and everything. This was one that I picked up online, and this one, it's like actually metal. Like this one's got some weight to it compared to this. So I'm excited for this new Spark one and the Spark boot. I've had this for a while. They sent it out for a while, but I haven't had time to put it on. So we're gonna do that today. Much to remove that shift knob. You just pull it straight up. Like, there's no difficulty to it. You just pull it straight up, and then from there, like that shift boot, it just held in with it. It'll just pop right out, just like that, and it'll slide right over. Got the new Sparco shift knob and the Sparco boot installed inside the BMW. Man, today's a great day. We got the AFE intake installed, plus we got the Sparco shift boot and the shifter installed. Man. Dennis, what do you think?
It's pretty awesome.
Oh yeah. So that's it for today's videos, guys. Again, please share, subscribe, and like. We'll catch you guys next video. Remember, live your dreams.